Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Shivan's Tech, and today's video is about quick route command. One of our subscribers has commented and requested us to make a video on this topic. So quick route is a command that we can use to route the pipe quickly. So what will happen if we have one start point and if we have one end point of any piping routing, and we want to do the routing between these 2 points, two nozzles or two flanges, that whatever all possible combinations will be there, routing options, that will show in this command. So guys, let's see where is it. It is basically this quick route command is related to piping. So obviously this is in piping. If you are in common, and you need to just change the task to piping. Once you are in piping task, so here the last command, basically this is the quick route. If you click on quick route, so what will happen, just I click here. Now here it written is coming, select an end feature or a nozzle to connect from. So let's try. First we will try with these two nozzles. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I will select this. As soon as I click there, now it is asking me to select this pipe run, the pipeline what will route, it will be in which spec, what size I want. By default it is taking 8" because this nozzle in this pump itself is a 8" nozzle. So if you want to change, you can change the size, it will come up with the reducers and all. If you want to just keep it 8", you can keep it. Just click here, give the temperature, pressure as we used to give usually, and these two things only we need to select. Just check specifications and the size, and then I click OK. Now it is asking here, select an end feature, a straight feature or a nozzle to connect. I give this flange. As soon as I give these 2 points, now what is happening, there is a list of options available. It is showing the first option, it will show like this. If you just keep your cursor in the second option, it will show you can take the route in this way also. This is another way. There is one more. There is total 10 way of routing this. So it is giving me all the 10 options. You can just check whatever you suggest, you whatever suits your requirement. You can use this quick route command. And this, so I know this all few of the options you might reject instantly, because that will not serve your purpose, that will not sound technical, but the software will give you whatever possible routing options are available. Okay, so I hope it will help you. Just suppose now I finalize, I want this one, I just click here and then I say finish. As soon as I give finish, it is here. So let's try one more. This is not related to only two nozzles, we can connect flanges also. If you want any flanges to, let's suppose we want from this flange of this pump to this flange, it's a very flange. Okay, we will try with this flange to this pump flange. The same command we will again do, quick route. Here it is as the last one, quick route. Just click here. You can give any point first, any point last, it doesn't matter actually. I give here in the first one, a pop-up will come to select the specifications and size. And if we are giving the pipe, it is not coming because it will continue in the same specification. And the second one is here. I give this, select an end feature. So now it will give us the again all the possible options of routing. This is the second option, this is the third, fourth. So there are multiple ways of routing the pipe, connecting these two flanges, connecting this pipeline to with one nozzle. So I hope this is clear. You can select any one option, whatever suits us as per our requirement. What is our requirement, that you can suit, and just say finish. As soon as I give finish, this pipe is perfectly routed, aligned, completed. So I hope this command, quick root command, is clear to you guys. If you still have any doubt or query in this command, just let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to clarify your doubts, and please suggest the topic to make on next videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned. Bye bye.